Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I am going to teach you what is resistor and why do we need resistor. So let's get started first. What is resistor? So basically resistor is like a speed breaker for electricity. It is used to control the voltage or current in a circuit. Like if you can see many times you will see like if we are connecting some component or some electrical part in a circuit, then it will take excess of current and excess of voltage and it will not work properly. Like many times it will get that component will get so much heat or it will get some fault. So control this all thing we will use, or you can say that resistor is also used for controlling the brightness. In many projects or many times you will see that you can take our house example only. Like if suddenly our fan speed will get increased so much or our light bulb will suddenly start glowing so much, its brightness will increase so much, which can irritate our eyes. If you come on a project, our LED will be there, its brightness will increase so much. So to control brightness of LED, also resistor is used to divide voltage properly in the circuit. Like from battery, we are supplying 9 volt, but we don't need that 9 volt, we need lesser volt than that. So we can connect resistor and we can decrease that volt and we can provide to our circuit. Understand? So basically, our resistors look like this. This is the resistor. It will have four strips, one, two, three, four. We have different types of resistor like four strip, five strip, depending on our requirement and its specification. Different type of resistors are there. So basically, the notation for resistor is R. It's like R, and resistor symbol is like this. You will see in circuit many times something like the symbol will be there. So by this, remember that it is the symbol for resistance. Now let's come on how to check what is the value of resistor. We can check easily by online. So many resistor calculator are available. That is one option. You have to see resistor. On resistor you will see like different color strip will be there. As you can see here in this example, different color strip are like there, like green, blue, red, golden. So this strip will be different there. It is called as first band, second band, third band, fourth band. Okay, so as you can see, the distance between this band are same, but one band distance is different from other. So one trick is there to check the value of resistor. One simple trick is there. You can basically go on Google. You can search for resistor calculator. Then there one by one you will have to put this all value, and it will show you what is the value of your resistor. But many times every time it's not possible for us to calculate resistor value like that. So this is one table by that we can calculate resistor value, and there is one trick by which we can remember that. So let's come on this table. If you will see this table, it's like different color and their values are given. First digit, second digit, multiplier and tolerance. Okay. So one by one color. This is the sequence that you have to remember. If you went by this sequence, you can correctly calculate the value of resistance. So first one is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. This golden and silver are there, so it is not that much important for us. This is basically a last band, which is tolerance band. Basically, tolerance means how much accurate our resistor will work. It will have percentage, something 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.10. It will just say how much accurately our resistor will work. So it is not that much important for us, but these three bands are most important for us. So try to remember that. So basically for black band, remember number. For black, zero digit is there, zero. For brown, one. For red, two. For orange, three. Yellow, four. Green, five. Blue, six. Violet, seven. Gray, eight. White, nine. Just remember like this. And for multiplier, let's start with one. From top to bottom, that is from black start with 1, then 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, like that, go on. Just multiply it by 10, 10, 10, and digit 1. Increase 110 step by step, step by step. And this tolerance table is not that much important to us. Now you will be thinking by that how you can calculate value of this resistance, or you will be worried. Firstly, main question will come how to remember these all values and these all color coding. This is basically called as color coding of resistor. So I will just say you simple trick. Let's come here. So one simple trick is there. Remember this code. One this secret code I prepare for you. Just remember this. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. So here whatever bold alphabets are there that stand for color. As you can see, first B stand for black, second B stand for brown, then from Roy R stand for red, O stand for orange, Y stand for yellow, then off. From that nothing is there. Of great, as you can see, G is bold, G stand for green, from Britain B stand for blue, from very V stand for violet, from good G stand for grey, and from wife W stand for white. So just remember this. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. If you remember this, you can remember that code. It is the sequence from top to bottom. After this, basically what is there? Black stand for 0, brown stand for 1, red stand for 2, orange stand for 3. Just in sequence, you have to go from 0 to 9. That's it. Once you remember this, other table is easy. Just values there. In multiplier also it is easy. You just have to go in sequence from multiplier 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Like this, you have to just start from 1 and downside increase 11110. So it's just easy. Now let's come on how to calculate value of this resistance. As you will see, 4 band will be there. Okay, always start with colorful band. Always keep this golden color or silver color band will be there, which will be at little distance from other band. Always keep that side to your right hand and other side to your left hand, and always start from your left to right. So first of all, out of this three band, first band stand for first digit, second band start for second digit, and third band start for multiplier, and fourth band stand for tolerance. So how to calculate? Now let's come on first digit. So as you can see in this video, first digit is what is first color? First color is green. And for green, what I said is what is the value for green color? For green color, value is 5. So basically just write 5 here for green color. We will write like 5. And next is blue. For blue color, what is value? It is second digit. For blue color, what is value? 6. So just write 6 for blue color. After that, after writing this two digit of first band and second band, put multiplication sign here. Okay, after that third one stands for multiplier, red color. You can see from table for red color what is the multiplier value. For black multiplier value is 1, for brown multiplier value is 10, and for red what is multiplier value? It is 100. So basically do into 100. That is 1, 0, 0. After going, this is not tolerance is not that much important for you, but still I will show. This color is golden. So for golden color, if you will see in table, its tolerance will be nearly 8%. Its tolerance, so just here write plus, that is plus minus 5%. Plus minus 5%. You write this, so after this, you can calculate value. After, if you went to solve this, your resistor value will come. So what basically your resistor value? 56 into 100. What will be 56 into 100? It will be 5600. That is 5, 6, 0, 0. And the unit of resistor is ohm, which is denoted by this. Its unit is called as ohm. That is this. Like this, its unit is there and it is called as ohm. O H M. It is called as ohm. So, so what is the value of your this resistor? This resistor value is 5600. Also, if you came, we can say that 5600, or you can say that 1 kilo ohm. Here, one thing I will say you, 1 kilo ohm equal to 1000 ohm. So, for previous thing, you can say this resistor value was 5600 ohm. So, you can write this 5600 as 5.6 kilo ohm. Basically, what you did, just you divide this by 5600 by this 1000. So after dividing it with 1000, you can write it as 5.6 kilo ohm. Understand? Now let's get summary what we studied today. Basically, we studied what is resistor. So basically, just resistor is like a speed breaker for electrical circuit. That is, it is used to control the flow of current and current, voltage, electricity in the electrical component like LED sensor or whatever thing. It is used to protect our device from excess of current or voltage. Later we studied how to read the value of resistance. So basically one trick is there, one method is there which is called as color coding. On resistance different color band will be there. First band, second band, third band, fourth band. First band start for first digit, second band stand for second digit, third band stand for multiply and fourth band stand for tolerance. After that I give you one table. In that table different color, different values are there. Then I said you how to remember that table. For that one trick I said you, that is BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. In that capital letter stand for color, that is B stand for black, second B stand for brown, like that. Different trick I said you. According to that you can remember. Later I said you how to calculate value of resistor. You just have to take first digit of first band, for then second digit of second band, put multiplier of sign, then take a multiplier value of third band and calculate your thing. By that you can just get value of resistor. Thank you. That's it for today.